to another video. Today we have a 30% off coupon and a 25% off coupon, entire purchase, entire store. I don't know if that coupon works or not. I haven't tried it myself, but I heard that a lot of people on Facebook are already confirming that it's working. So I will have that at the end of this video. Like I said, I don't know. I haven't tried it myself. I don't know if it's still working or if it's not working, if they fixed it or not. It looks like it's a family coupon, 25% off an entire purchase. So be sure to check that out. Feel free to, at your own risk. But a lot of people are claiming on Facebook that it does work in store only. So I will have that coupon at the end of this video. So right now we have this 30% off coupon in any of these items under $10. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So if you want to help us out, feel free to do so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got, everyone says 30% off all items up to $10. It says Inside Trek Club members. It says items up to, okay, so Inside Trek Club members get up to $20, 30% off. That is a killer deal there. You're getting, if you're an Inside Trek Club member, it makes me want to join. You get all these deals. So you get 30% off up to $20 per item. So all the items that you put in your cart or in, at the store, obviously, and all the items, they must be under $20 to get that 30% off on each item. So that's a great deal. You can stock them. There's a lot of videos I have. I'll see if I can link them up above here for you guys, so you guys could see what kind of items you guys could get. But yeah, we got 3 days only, Friday, December 18th through December 20th. Limit 5 store, limit 1 online. Guys, there's a lot of guys out there that are claiming that to have more than 5 items. So all the items have to be under $10 if you're not a member. And if you're a member, all the items have to be under $20 if you are a member, Inside Trek Club member. And then you'll get 30% off of all those items. It says limit here 5. I think it's more than 5. You can get more than 5. It just depends on the store. So this is the coupon. I'll put it right here in the middle right here for you guys. So it says 3 days only. Let's see here. Print coupon. Limit 1 per customer per day. Valid in-store online. 30% off under $10. Redeem in store discounts. Extend service plan. How buys. Original coupon must be presented. Valid 12/18 through 12/20. So there you go. You guys are getting that. You got a few items on sale. You got the 250 lumen pop-up lantern, $349. You got the Hallmaster, the rag here, the blanket, moving blanket, 72 by 80 moving blanket, $559. You got the .30 caliber ammo box, $419. You got the combination wrenches, 9-piece, $559. That's a great deal. Just have some on your truck. Same thing with these, $699 for a 3-piece. Got portable folding LED work light, $629. You got a sprayer for $419. This is one of the newer sprayers. You got the 6-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader, $209. This is a great little deal. A lot of people don't like them. I do. If you're a DIY, you're not really, it's very inexpensive. I mean, for $2, come on, you're getting a good deal there. All right, that coupon that I was telling you guys about. This is it right here. It says on the top. It's a screenshot from Facebook. Actually, shout out to the Facebook guys on the group of Harbor Freight. I got this from them. So it says this coupon's good for 25% off your entire purchase, December 7th through Sunday, December 20th. So you guys still got to this weekend to use it. Use this how to use coupon in store. Print this email. Show the cashier at the local store. Email cashier on mobile device, or you can show them on your mobile device. So there you go. If you have it on your mobile phone, you can show them this coupon, and it is 25% off your entire purchase. That's a killer deal, guys. Make sure you guys check it out. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys heard about this coupon or not. See if it works. See if it didn't work for you. Make sure you guys try it at the store only. I repeat myself, at the store only, not online. So this 25%, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can. I'll see if I prove that, or not prove, but if I go to the store and get something with this coupon, I'll let you guys know down in the comment section if it worked for me or not. Because I got a few items I gotta pick up anyways. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.